Anchor coin holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Anchor coin. What's the current price of Anchor coin? What's the price in the Anchor coin? In this video, my friends, I will show you, my friends. And you know what? A lot of people ask me questions about Anchor coin, that what should we do in this critical situation? Is it the best time to buy? Is it the best time to sell? Is it the best time to hold Anchor coin, my friends? So keep watching this video. In this video, I will show you, my friends. First of all, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Anchor coin in the market is 0.081907 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Anchor coin. On the other side, if we look the price change of the Anchor coin, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend price change occur in the Anchor coin is negative, my friends. Completely fast down occur in the Anchor coin, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the Anchor coin. Oh my goodness, my friends, that is the last 60-minute, last 1 hour price chart of the Anchor coin. And now the current situation of the Anchor coin is completely fast down. At this time, the price of Anchor coin is going down. So a lot of people confused that what should we do in this critical situation. So as I show you, my friends, in the start of this video, that whole changes occurs in the Anchor coin as negative. The last 1 week, last 1 month price change is negative. So if these price changes is still negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. The price is very low of Anchor coin. For instance, my friends, if you decide to sell Anchor coin on this price, so you are in the loss because this price is very low. On the other side, if you decide to hold Anchor coin, so my friends, there is a chances maybe the price will pump in the future, maybe the price will pump tomorrow, maybe the price will pump in the next week. So you are in the profit if the price will pump. So that is why my personal recommendation for all of you is that it is time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Hold it and wait for a huge pump, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about how Anchor coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.